Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make mutton curry. This is a very basic and traditional recipe in India. Very simple to make, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Clean, wash and keep ready 500 grams of mutton pieces. Heat a pressure cooker and to this add 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 piece of bay leaf and 4 cloves. Give it a quick mix. Then add 100 grams of shallots and saute well for 2 minutes. Then add 2 onions very finely chopped and few curry leaves. Saute well until the onion turns transparent. Now the onions are well done, so go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute well until the raw flavor of the ginger garlic paste goes off. Then add 2 tablespoons of chopped tomato and mix it well. Now let's go ahead and add the spices. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and half teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix it well until the raw flavor of the spices goes off. Now the spices are nicely done, so go ahead and add 500 grams of mutton pieces. Mix it well. Make sure the masala is well spread. Then add 3 cups of water and mix it well. Let's wait till the curry comes to a boil. Now the curry is nicely boiling, so close with the lid and let this cook for 6 whistles until the mutton pieces are completely cooked. Now the pressure has settled, so let's open and check. The mutton pieces are nicely cooked and ready. Again on the flame and let this boil for 2 to 3 minutes until we get the proper gravy consistency. Now we have it right, so finally sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves and off the flame. Now a delicious mutton curry is ready. Serve it hot with some chapatis or rotis or even with some steamed rice and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, healthy and a delicious recipe. So do try this mutton curry recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.